three big things this week. Sora 2 Comet of Perplexity is available to anyone for free, and the survey that I promised you about Claude 4.5 Sonnet to see how it is. So you ready? Because we have a lot to cover. Let's begin. Woo, Sora 2! Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome for the first time. Let's see all the updates we had the past week in the AI world, and we will start with OpenAI X page to show you some things of Sora 2. So yeah, this is X2 speed, this is not the normal speed. We can also look at it at the normal speed, and it has voice. Ready when you are. That is my favorite one. That is so good. And we also have a dog. We gotta see the dog. We gotta see the dog. Take it, boy. So, Sora 2 is out, but you need an invite link. And I'm apparently not important enough to have one. So if you have an invite link and you want to share it with me, please do, and we will feature it next week. Besides that, OpenAI updated ChatGPT to better response in moments of distress when people are using it. And please just don't use GPT in moment of distress. Use a professional. And if you have Android, you will have access to Sora 2 through Sora.com. Perplexity Comet is now available to everyone for free. And you can see it here as you log into perplexity.ai. You don't have to be a pro. They will offer you to download Comet. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks like just any browser. But here, top right, you can see the assistant. You can click on the assistant and ask it to do whatever you like. Summarize a video, extract key takeaways. Absolutely awesome. Very soon, Chrome will have it as well for everyone, and if you're in the US, you might already enjoy it. Tell us how it is. And you can already find Claude, Sonnet 4.5 and Thinking in Perplexity's model selection tab. Google, let's see what happened with Google the past week, because we have a couple of dev things. We will run it, and then we have a nice new NotebookLM feature. Nano Banano is now available and ready for production through the Gemini API. They also released 10 new aspect ratios and image-only output for developers. We also have a new visual experience in the AI mode in Google Search, so you can show it what you want and use visual to get a visual response also. And lastly, Jules Agent, on-sync coding agent by Google Labs, shipped several new features, including Jules tools. Very nice. Let's see what we have with NotebookLM. The next level of personalization is here to customize your chat. You can go to NotebookLM and click here on the selection tab, and once you do, that will pop the configure chat. You can choose your conversational style or the response length. You can do default, learn guide, or custom. When you click on the custom, you can insert pretty neat things. Respond as a PhD level or pretend for role-playing game host. You can put whatever you want. It's a very cool feature for NotebookLM. Very nice. Also, and that is just a use case for NotebookLM that they suggested, that you can enter a list, you can insert a list of vocabulary to any language that you would like, and you can use Gemini to make one, and then you put it into NotebookLM and you can learn languages with it. In this example here, they did it with Spanish, but you can do it with whatever you want. Generate your list with Gemini, put it in NotebookLM, and there you go. You can learn a new language. Very cool use case. Claude. So you remember the last week I said that after 1 week I will go to Grok and I will survey X. I will ask Grok to analyze X posts and tell us what is the sentiment towards Claude 4.5. And we have an answer. Positive 65. Whoa, 65. What happened? 65% positive. Speed, coding, power S, agentic reliability better than the predecessors. We have a 20% negative, which I think is a lot. That it fails and it costs a lot and it's underwhelming in coding areas. And I saw some people saying that GPT-5 codex is still better. And you have a mixed 15%. What is your take on Claude 4.5? Interesting. And if you are a pro or a max user and you want to use Claude Imagining and build apps on the fly, now they extended the demo for one more week, which will be until the 10th of October. Try it out. Sounds cool. And Claude is also available in Slack. Do we have anything else in the Claude area? Yes, they announced a few upgrades to Claude Code, and on the Claude API they're introducing new capabilities to manage context, and the context management also extends to what agents can do. XAI, we have one thing, beautiful fireworks. No, that's not the update. The update is that on X now you have a logo of Grok on the top right of each post, and you can click it for explanation or verify if the post is real or not. That is everything that I have for you this week. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what do you think of Claude 4.5, or if you're not using Claude 4.5, which one are you using? I will see you in the next video, in the next AI news flash. We didn't have much. And XAI, if you don't post on your X page all of the upgrades, I'm not gonna chase you. Until next time, until the next AI news flash, the updates. Bye bye.